Rajnath Singh conceding prime constituency to Narendra Modi, appointing key Modi aide Amit Shah as General Secretary in charge of Uttar Pradesh. The indications are loud and clear. Uttar Pradesh, with 80 Lok Sabha seats, would be critical to the BJP's preparations for the 2014 elections. And Narendra Modi is making his first crucial inroad in Rajnath Singh's territory.
किसी के लिए जो है नरेंद्र मोदी ने रिकमेंड नहीं किया है, लेकिन जो कुछ भी किया है अपनी सोच के आधार पर किया है, अपने विवेक के आधार पर मैंने फैसला किया है कहां किसकी उपयोगिता है, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूं कि अमित शाह के अंदर जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्किल है उससे भी मैं अच्छी तरह परिचित हूं।
BJP, in its prime, has won as many as 57 out of the 85 seats in undivided Uttar Pradesh. But since the 90s, the party's fortunes have dwindled with each passing Lok Sabha polls. Its tally now reduced to a mere 10. Uttar Pradesh will be the focus state for the party, with Shah being assisted by 3 deputies, while Varun Gandhi has been made in charge of West Bengal. In states where the BJP could scout for potential allies, Rajnath Singh has deputed political lightweights. Chandan Mitra in Odisha, where the BJD is in power, Muralidhar Rao in Tamil Nadu, where the AIADMK is the ruling party. In Andhra Pradesh, where both Jagan Reddy and TRS are potential allies, former Madhya Pradesh Party President Prabhat Jha has been made in charge. In Jharkhand as well, where Babulal Marandi is another potential ally, former Uttar Pradesh Party President Ramapati Ram Tripathi will manage party affairs. Maharashtra has been allocated to Rajiv Pratap Rudy, while Thawar Chand Gehlot has been given Karnataka. This time though, no former president or leader of opposition has been given state-specific responsibility. With the team in place from here onwards, Rajnath Singh will have to decide whether to form a campaign committee or not, and what role Narendra Modi would officially have in the BJP scheme of things for the next general elections. With Sumit Pandey in New Delhi, Kamala Sripada.
In fact, lots of political reactions coming into that reshuffle. In fact, here's how Congress reacted to that development.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी वापस अपने पुराने एजेंडे पर जा रही है, जिस एजेंडे से वो बहुत नुकसान उठा चुकी है और पूरे देश ने उसका नाम खराब हुआ है इसको लेकर के। लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि वो वापस उसी एजेंडे पर जा रही है और उसके परिणाम जो है वो उसको भुगतने पड़ेंगे और उत्तर प्रदेश के अवाम उनको ठीक जवाब देंगे जब मौका आएगा। इसका उन्हें अंदाजा हो जाएगा कि अमित शाह को उन्होंने जो जिम्मेदारी दी है उसका उन्हें लाभ होगा या कितना बड़ा नुकसान उठाना पड़ेगा।